Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the Chevalier model FSG-3A1224H fully automatic hydraulic surface grinder. This machine is in a great condition. It has a 12 inches by 12 inches by 24 inches electromagnetic chuck on it. Machine has a hydraulic unit, coolant unit, automatic down increment. So overall this machine is in great condition. So now we're going to give you the demo. We're going to run a small part on the machine for the demo purpose. So the spindle has been started, magnet is on, hydraulics are on. Now we're going to run a small part on this machine. We are making a small part for the demo purpose. Down increment has been started. It's a half thou down increment going on. It's a half thousand down increment cut going on. Have we increased the cut on the machine now? So what's the current cut on the?
That's 1,000.
So that's a 1,000 down increment going on.
This will be our 0 cut.
Oh. So the down increment will stop after this cut?
Yes.
Okay. So the down increment has been stopped. Right now the spark out cut going on. The program has been ended. The spindle has been retracted to its home position. So this machine is in a great condition. This is the fully automatic Chevalier hydraulic surface grinder with 12 by 24 inches travel. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.